Hey everyone, Alex here, Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. Today I'm bringing to you the all-new MBUX Mercedes-Benz User Experience multimedia system. It's got great amount of features. I'm going to do a quick walk-around video on what's new and what does it bring to the table. What is MBUX? If you haven't already known about it, MBUX stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. And what that is Mercedes-Benz latest and greatest technology for the multimedia infotainment system. What does that mean to you? Basically, it gives you a simple, user-friendly, smart and intuitive way to access your car's features. Anything from the profiles of your vehicle, music, where you like to go, what do you like to see, different designs that you can basically use and integrate to shape around the profile of the driver. Let me touch base a little bit on, hey, what do we have here that we can use to access these features? You also have these brand new touchpads on your steering wheel, then that way you don't have to take your hands off the wheel. You have a new touch screen, as well as a new touchpad. Now you can talk to this car, kind of like a Siri or an Alexa, something you might be already used to at home or maybe at a friend's or family. Right? It's super easy to use. You can basically tell the system with a, hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Right? So you can talk to the car and basically give it certain commands. Maybe turn down the temperature, close your sunroof, right? Navigate to a certain place. And it's much easier than the last generation's infotainment system. Let me go in a quick in-depth tour with you to show you, hey, how do I use this vehicle? Touchpad. The all-new haptic feedback touchpad offers a very simple and intuitive way to use it. It's not like the old one where you had the dial and the little mini touchpad. This one is a full touchpad and it can sense everything. Anything from just swiping, handwriting, and then as well as press on the touchpad as well. Second will be the new touchscreen. You're able to swipe through very easily. Much like your iPhone or maybe your Android that you have currently. It has a nice layout of different apps you can kind of click on versus just having the old one where you had to scroll through and you kind of have to go a couple hoops and loops. So this one, it's very easy to use. Third is the new steering wheel functionality. You have two touchpads, little mini touchpads mainly for your thumbs on both sides of the steering wheel. So the left one will control the left screen. You can kind of customize, show different designs, different layout. Maybe you want speed, navigation, and then maybe you want your main screen to be maybe your music. So you can show all that if you like. And then the right side of the steering wheel will control the right side of the screen. That way you don't have to distract yourself with having to use the touchpad or maybe the touch screen. You can do it all from your steering wheel. And last but not least is the new voice recognition system. Now, you can save up to 7 profiles with this system, and each person that drives this car, maybe the passengers switching out, they can kind of basically adapt the system to how they like it. So it's very smart, very intuitive, and you can really customize this whole experience around you. You can talk to it just a simple hey or a hi, or you can use the touch voice control button on your screen. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you very much for watching the video on the all-new MBUX system. My name is Alex Quinn at Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West.